We're having an event this week at one of our listings, a beautiful luxury house in the prestigious neighborhood of Riverdale in Richmond. And now we're off to get some supplies. Our first stop is Costco. We're here to pick up some flute platters, some utensils, and some drinks for the event tomorrow. We're finished getting our supplies for tomorrow. We also ordered some party trays for pickup. We got some sushi, some fried noodles, some fried rice, and some pizza. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak preview of the house. Now we're gonna grab some quick lunch at Public Market. 我要那个红色的米。2菜吧。饭再多一点点，谢谢。水煮肉，还有番茄炒鸡蛋吧。We're grabbing lunch right now with Leo and Eric.
Yeah.
YouTube. All our
live?
subscribers. No, not live.
Oh.
Recording this for later. Today is the day of the event. We got everything set up at the house. Alvin's got the camera ready to capture the moments. And we're waiting on the restaurants to open so we can go pick up the food.
你们一会儿谁去哪吃的？
我跟 Eric.
Eric 11点到。
对。All right, our event has just begun. We're starting to get some people, some buyers are coming around, and our agents are here. Say hi to our buddy Paul.
Also, I want to say Shawn is my new teammate. I know him when I joined Maxcel Westcoast, and he is very smart, and he is so talented. He can do piano, he can speak English so good, and he can do singing, dancing.
The event is done. Now we're finally done cleaning up. Check it out. Nice and tidy. We got some fruit platters that we forgot to take out of the fridge, so now we're gonna eat it ourselves.
The stars tonight are shining so bright. Blessed to have the team here by my side. We'll maximize your experience, we rise. With the Maxcel team, we fly so high. I do it for my friends.